A material change or supplier switch does not automatically mean you need expensive new biocompatibility testing. Under ISO 10993, biocompatibility is about demonstrating safety, not simply performing laboratory tests. In many cases, a risk-based approach can provide sufficient justification without sending products back to the lab. The first step should always be a biological evaluation plan. This roadmap evaluates materials, patient contact, and toxicological risks before deciding whether testing is actually necessary. Manufacturers can often avoid physical testing by demonstrating material equivalence, proving components never contact the patient, or leveraging historical clinical and post-market data. However, introducing new materials, changing sterilization methods, or altering patient contact duration will usually trigger new biocompatibility requirements. Need help determining whether testing is truly required? Speak to PatientGuard and build a risk-based biological evaluation strategy that protects both your timelines and your budget.